Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel Notta subscription. Let's get started. Method 1. Cancel a subscription created on Notta web. First, log into your Notta account and head to your account settings. Under Workspace Settings, click on Billing. Click on Cancel Subscription. This will cancel any new plan that you have activated. Confirm your cancellation of your current plan if you made any in-app purchases through the Google Play Store. Be sure to cancel those too. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Notta subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions and then Subscriptions. Select Notta app from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 3. Cancel a Notta subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select Notta app from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription. And follow the prompts and you are done. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.